Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to migrate VM from VMware to ZStack in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. VM migration in Vinchin Backup and Recovery is realized by restoring the VM backup on another virtualized platform, so a VMware VM backup is needed at first. Here I have created a VMware VM backup, and am going to restore it on a ZStack host. Go to Restore. Just select this VM backup. Here select the specific ZStack host, and you can simply configure the new VM here, such as VM name, CPU, memory, virtual disk, and virtual network. Select Strategies, or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in ZStack. It has been restored to the ZStack host, and let's try to log into the VM. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.